Welcome back. Now, one platform that deserves special mention in creating faceless videos is the Canva platform. Now, Canva in and of itself is not a video creation platform, but it has several elements that you can use in order to automate some of the processes of creating faceless videos so that you do not have to create all of the scenes, nor do you have to create all of the audio. If you go to your Canva front page, you can go to this element here that says videos. What you'll see here is that Canva has a video editor, it has an audio editor, and it has a way for you to remove backgrounds from your videos. You'll also see this element here at the top that says easy to assemble videos, which gives you Canva templates in order to start the process of creating your video. When you click the template, what you're going to see at the bottom is you're going to see a video timeline where you can play the video that you are creating here in the timeline as you create it. If you go to Canva and you search video in terms of its applications, you're going to notice a number of different elements. Now, what you need to understand about these elements, while they do integrate with Canva and you can use them, typically they are going to require their own separate subscription. For example, if I click on DIDAI Presenters, what you're going to notice is that I have a panel here, but then I need to sign into my DID account in order to generate elements and then to use one of my existing DID credits. So one scenario that you will see with Canva is that you will be able to use some of the existing clips, and you'll be able to take those clips in order to create a scene that you may be able to use inside of one of your base video creators. And we will come back to that process in another video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.